When a woman is sent to prison, who else pays for the crime? It's not likely that women prisoners receive much sympathy from our society, yet many of these women are mothers, around 80%, and while these moms are in prison, their daughters are suffering. Children of incarcerated parents are more likely to suffer from depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress, and they are 6 times more likely to end up involved in criminal behavior. The Girl Scouts of the USA's Beyond Bars program offers a chance for these girls to have regular visits with their moms.
We had a sleepover, and I haven't done it for 9 years.
You hadn't slept with your mom for 9 years. The Girl Scouts Beyond Bars program is already making a difference for hundreds of little girls in 22 states. They need funding to continue and expand their work. Please join me in supporting the Girl Scouts Beyond Bars program. For more information on how you can help, go to this website, girlscouts.org/beyondbars.